Hi everyone, and welcome to this quick walkthrough of the Qikberry RCS platform. In this demo, I'm going to show you how to create templates, run campaigns, manage incoming messages, and download your reports, all from one simple dashboard. Let's begin. First, open your browser and go to app.qikberry.ai. Enter your username and password, and once you log in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Now, from the left-hand menu, click on Google RCS Messaging. This is where you can manage everything related to RCS, from templates to campaigns and analytics. At the top, you'll find an option to select the agent. You must choose the correct agent based on your use case. Promotional agent used strictly for marketing campaigns. Messages can be sent only between 9 a.m. 9 p.m. Follow the promotional guidelines carefully. Transactional agent used strictly for service or transactional updates. No time restrictions. Important note: if you use a promotional message on a transactional agent or a transactional message on a promotional agent, the agent will get blocked. If this mistake happens 3 times, the entire brand will be blocked from sending any future RCS messages. So it's very important to follow guidelines strictly. For this demo, we will select a promotional agent. Now let's create a new RCS template. From the main menu, click on Templates, then click Add Template. Enter a template name, for example, Test Qikberry. Now select the template type. In RCS, we have 4 types of templates: text, message, text suggestion, standalone card, and carousel card. For this demo, we'll start with the text message template. Paste your message content here. Remember, the total character limit is 2,000 characters, including variables. You can add variables like curly braces 1 or curly braces name. As you type, you'll see a live preview of your template on the right side. Once everything looks correct, click Create. Your template will now be successfully created and approved, and will appear in your approved templates list. Your template is now ready to be used in campaigns. Next, we'll create a text suggestion template. Start by entering the template name, then select the template type. Paste your body content. If you have any variables, you can add them as 1, 2, and so on. Under the suggestion section, you will find a total of 6 available buttons: Reply, Dial a number, Open a URL with website, View location, Calendar invite. From these, you can add any 4 buttons to your template. These buttons can be repeated or entirely different based on your requirement. Once the buttons are added, you will see a live preview on the right side. Finally, click on Create. Your template will now be successfully created and approved, and it will appear in your approved templates list. Next, we'll create a standalone card template. Start by entering the template name, then select the template type. Then enter a title, for example, Diwali offer. Then paste your body content. Please note that the total character limit is 700 characters, including variables. Now, upload a reference media file. This can be an image, a video, or a document. Important: if your template was approved using an image, then during the campaign, you will only be able to upload an image. The same applies to documents and videos. So for each media type, you must create a separate template. Next, scroll down to the Suggestions section. Here you will see 4 available buttons: Reply, Dial a number, Open a URL with website. You can add any 3 buttons to your template. These buttons can be repeated or entirely different, depending on your requirement. Once everything is set, click on Create. Your template will now be successfully created and approved, and it will appear in your approved templates list. Next, we'll create a carousel template. Start by entering the template name and then select the template type. Now choose how many carousel cards you require. You can add up to 6 cards in a single carousel. For each card, enter a title. For example, Card 1, Offers, Card 2, Discounts, and so on. To move to the next card, use the Next option on the right side preview panel. This allows you to switch between cards and fill in their individual details. Then, add the body content for each card. Next, upload the media file. For all the cards, you may upload all images, all videos, all documents, or you may mix them. For example, image for the first card, video for the second, document for the third, and so on. Now, move to the Suggestions section. Each card will display 4 button options. Reply, dial a number, open a URL with website preview. From these, you can select any 2 buttons for each individual card. Once all the details are filled in, review the preview and then click on Create. Your template will now be successfully created and approved, and it will appear in your Approved Templates list. Once your templates are approved, the next step is learning how to run campaigns. From the main menu, go to Campaigns and click on Add Campaign. Enter a campaign name, for example, Test Qikberry, then choose the required template. All your approved templates will appear in the drop-down list. You'll see 2 options for adding contacts. Quick Campaign, paste mobile numbers manually. Bulk Upload, upload an Excel sheet with contacts and variables, the first column for contact numbers, followed by variable columns like var1, var2, and so on. For this demo, select Quick Campaign. Paste your contact numbers manually. If numbers do not have a country code, enable Doesn't Add Country Code. Add any sample variables needed. You'll also see 3 additional options. Schedule option. Select a future date and time for scheduled sending. Remove duplicate numbers. Automatically filters repeated entries. Fallback option. If the RCS message fails to deliver, the platform will automatically send the message through another available channel. Currently, SMS is supported. Click on Preview Campaign after reviewing the details. Here, you can review all key details: campaign name, agent, total numbers, and template type. Finally, click on Run Campaign. Your message delivery will begin immediately, and you'll see the campaign status update to completed once processing is done. Refreshing the page will show real-time delivery updates. To see full insights, click the eye icon under the Actions column. This gives you a full overview of your campaign's performance. To check the overall campaign details, navigate to the Messages section from the main menu. Here, you'll get a detailed overview of all the numbers included in your campaign, along with their delivery status, message content, and timestamp. This section gives you complete visibility into how your campaign performed in real time. Next, let's look at how to generate detailed reports for your campaigns. Click on the Reports section from the main menu, then select Add Report. Enter the report name, for example, Report January. Now choose the report type. You can generate either an RCS summary report or a raw detailed report. If you select the RCS summary report, simply choose the From Date and to Date and click Generate Report. If you choose the raw detailed report, select the date range, then choose the fields, message status, and apply filters such as status or phone number for precise insights. Once submitted, your report will appear on the main reports page with a status marked as pending. As soon as it's processed, it will be available for download, giving you a complete breakdown of your campaign performance. To check the detailed usage of your campaigns, go to the Usage History section from the main menu. Here, you can view a day-wise breakdown of your RCS consumption, including total delivered consumption, total number undelivered consumption. This section helps you track overall campaign performance and monitor credit utilization efficiently. That's it. You've successfully triggered an RCS campaign using Qikberry's app.